Hey there, fellow DocuSign users. Have you ever signed a document by accident or realized you needed to make changes after the fact? Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through the process of voiding a DocuSign in 2025. This is a quick, straightforward tutorial that'll save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to be the original sender of the document because only senders have the power to void it. If you're not, you might need to contact the sender for help. Start by logging into your DocuSign account on their official website or app. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard where all your documents are listed. Next, locate the document you want to void. It should be under In Process or Completed envelopes. Click on it to open the details. Now, look for the Actions menu. It's usually a drop-down or button near the top. Select Void from the options. DocuSign might ask you to provide a reason for voiding, like error in document or changed circumstances. Be honest and clear here, as this helps with record keeping. After you submit the reason, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything because voiding is permanent and can't be undone. Hit Confirm, and voila, the document is voided. You'll receive an email notification, and all recipients will be informed too. A few quick tips. Always double-check documents before sending to avoid this situation. Remember, if the document has already been fully executed or is in a legal process, voiding might not be possible. In 2025, DocuSign has made this process even smoother with updated interfaces, so keep your app up to date. There you have it. Voiding a DocuSign is easier than you think. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay savvy, and see you next time.